what's going on there. Looking for someone. There's something going on in the bush. Welcome, viewers. Welcome back to anyone that has subscribed. We're just going back to the yard here, and I thought I haven't done a video, I don't think, coming through this way, so I thought I'll just do a little, I don't know, a little different route. Today's little story, not really story time, but I don't know, you'll have to think of, I don't know what this is, story or I don't know, maybe advice, just my opinion. I was on Facebook, I was scrolling through, getting loaded, and I was just on my phone, and there was a young fella posted on some trucking page. He said he was only 23, so he's only young. And the long story short of his post, he says, I've had my HR license, a heavy rigid license for 6 months, can't get a start, everywhere is asking for experience. Is there anyone out there that can give me a go? You know, help me get a start. He didn't put his location, so there was a heap of people asking, where you from? But there was like, I don't know, like 20 comments maybe, and I see these type of posts all the time. Oh, you know, like there's so many jobs out there, but everywhere says experience required, or you know, like, yeah, send your resume through, and then they never end up hearing back, probably because someone else with experience has, you know, also rung up and they've only got one truck. And there was 20 comments, and I think it was 8 of those comments from different people were just saying, go to your local cement company, just drive Aggies for a while, you know, your cement mixers, you know, so go to your High Mix, your Boral, fucking Elite Creek, whatever you've got around you. You know, they're always putting on drive, which they are. They're always looking for drivers because, Jesus Christ, that guy's he's just driving over the fucking line. He's like that Pac-Man. If you've seen him on TikTok, you know the guy I'm talking about. Driving over the line, he's like, waka, 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 waka. I'm not going to try and say I'm original with that. That's his thing. So, but yeah, I do like that. But yeah, they're always putting on new drivers and always willing to put on people with no experience. Reason being, no one stays there for, well, okay, I'm not going to lie. There's probably people out there that have been doing it for a long time. However, they do have a high turnover rate. There's a lot of people that don't last long or don't stay there long. Now, this is just my opinion, my 2 cents. I'm not saying I'm right and everyone else is wrong. However, if you want to go and get a job as a truck driver and you've got no experience, go to a fucking, either a mega carrier, like your Tolls, Lynn, maybe not Toll, after the video I did last time. If you haven't seen that, go and watch that. It's titled Why I Quit Toll. I think that's it. But look for your Tolls, your Linfox, Main Freights, all your big companies. They're always willing to put on fresh people. Or go to a fucking shitter. Go work for a little shit fucking company that's got 1 or 2 trucks. They're not going to be paying you anything to fucking amazing. You're going to be doing multi-drop work. You're going to be doing 15 drops a day in the heat, out in the elements, in the rain, doing drops with. I've done that, where you do multi-drops. It's all fucking hand unload. You use it, your best friend is a fucking trolley. You know, just loading up fucking shit onto trolleys and fucking in and out, in and out, in and out. And, I mean, that wasn't a shit job for me. I enjoyed it, but a lot of people don't. However, the reason I'm saying go and do something like that, go and do general freight. Working in an Agi, I don't even know what Agi's short for, agitator maybe? But a cement mixer, one with a big barrel on the back, and you will not learn fuck all. You're not going to learn anything. All you're going to learn is to drive around a fucking automatic fucking, probably a Mack, an automatic fucking truck around the fucking suburbs. That's all you're going to learn. And I was talking to another guy about it a while ago, and he's like, you know what, I've never even thought about that. And I was like, well, have a think about it. If you've got someone that's worked doing general freight for even 1 month versus someone that's worked as an Agi driver for 1 year, who's going to know more? The person doing general freight for 1 month. Reason being, you drive a cement mixer, do you load yourself? Some places, maybe, but in most cases, you will reverse your big barrel up to a chute. It's all pre-done by computers, and there's a bloke, that's his job. It will fill it up, and you drive off. How many straps are you going to throw while you're doing concreting? None. How many chains are you going to use? How often are you going to learn how to tarp a load? Are you going to learn how to use curtains and buckles and straps? Nope. None of that. Are you going to need to learn about axle weights, load weights? You know, blocking off a load so it doesn't slide, doesn't move. You won't learn any of that. You're not going to learn anything. This is what I'm talking about. Old mate here in a cement mixer. You drive them and you will not learn anything. You could drive them for 10 years and you're never going to need to restrain a load with a strap, a chain, a tarp, curtains, carpets. You're never going to need a blocker load. You're not going to need to know axle weights because it's all predetermined, and you can't, well, I suppose possibly you could be overweight, but it's all done so that that load that's going into your truck is suited for that truck, and it's designed for that. So you're not going to learn anything. So if you want to go and get a job doing that, I mean, and if that's what you enjoyed, fucking go for it. However, this is for the new people. Just keep in mind, you're not going to learn all this, because old mate, the young fella, back to the Facebook, he's like, I can upgrade my license in, 3 months time to HC, I can drive semis. No! No! You're going to learn to walk before you can fucking run. You're going to go and drive a semi and don't have any experience at all. Say, okay, here you go, mate, here's the keys. You're not going to fucking know how to load, unload, restrain. You're not going to know about your axle weights, load weights, tear weights. You're going to not know anything. I'll let them go. Come on. Thank you. Here's my little rule. Okay, so this will be the word of the day. We're going to do this early today. If I'm in traffic, if I'm in traffic and there's like 3 or 4 people trying to come out of the side street there, I'll usually let them out. I'll be like, come on, let's go. Until one of them doesn't wave. If you don't wave back to me, fuck you, I'm cutting everyone else off behind you, and you've ruined it for everyone. Common courtesy. Someone lets you in, I didn't need a letter in. I could have fucking nudged up. But, yeah, what's your thing? Do you, I mean, I don't know, that's kind of like a silly fucking question to ask, but yeah, do you let people in? Do you let one for one? Like, you let one person in and you don't let the next one? Or do you do the same as me? Like, if you're like, look, it didn't hold me up by letting her in. Like, it's no big fucking drama. But if there was two people there and that first one didn't wave, you're like, fuck this! I don't know, that's just me. Only a little shorty today. I've got to go and drop this trailer, swap the load over, take a different trailer. Yeah, bit of a, I won't spoil it too much, but we got big things coming. Changes. That's all I'll say. Yeah, we'll do a video on it. There's no avoiding doing a video on this one, like what's going to happen. So yeah, that's it for today. Just a shorty, just a little knowledge for new drivers. Don't go out thinking you're going to learn everything in fucking 3 weeks if you're driving a cement mixer. I don't know. If you've got other comments, if you've got other opinions, share it with me. If I'm wrong, tell me I'm wrong and tell me what I said that was wrong, or make your own fucking video. I don't know. If you think that you can do everything better, you make your own video and then I'll watch that. Yeah. Alright, well, that's it for now. Bye.